Hello everyone, welcome back to Smartboost Studio. In today's video, we will discuss data types with examples. But before, I want to give a short review of previous lecture. So in previous lecture, we have discussed that data types is classified into 4 classes: whole numbers, real numbers, logic and characters. And those 4 classes are represented by different data types. So now we will discuss it with examples. So let's get started. The first class is whole number. Whole number are those numbers having no decimal point and it can be represented by integer, short or long data type. We store small numbers in short data type while regular integer value in integer data type and long numbers or value in long data type. Its examples are short age equal to 21, integer score equal to 5000, integer syntax of integer is int, okay, and long distance equal to any value, such a big value which cannot be stored in integer and short data type. If you assign long data or long value to short or integer data type, then the compiler will show an error. The second class is real numbers. Real numbers are those numbers having decimal point and it can be represented by 2 data types. The first one is float and the second one is double. And the difference between them is also their size. Float can store numbers of size 4 bytes while double can store greater than 4 bytes. Its examples are float percentage equal to 57.9. So such a number of decimal point which are short and occupy space of 4 bytes can be stored by float data type. And the second one is double pi equal to 3.14 and so on. So such a large number of decimal point which occupy space greater than 4 bytes can be stored by double data type. The third class is logic, which is a step-by-step approach to solve a problem. And for logic, we use data type boolean. Its syntax is bool. The answer of bool is either true or false. In the output session, the value of true is represented by 1 and the value of false is represented by 0. Its examples are bool is login equal to false. So it means that the condition is login is false and the output of this statement will be 0. The second one is bool pass equal to true. So this condition is actually true and the output of this statement will be 1. You will betterly understood the boolean data type in condition if else statement. For now, just understood that boolean data type is used for condition either true or false. The last class is characters. For storing characters, we use 2 data types. The first one is char and the second one is string. Char data type occupies the size of 1 byte while the string data type occupies the space depend on its length. Okay, the example of char is char grade equal to A. Always remember that the value of char data type should be enclosed in a single quotation mark. Example of string data type is string name equal to elif, and always remember that the value of string data type should be enclosed in double quotation mark. Now we will display the value of all data type in the output. For that we will use cout then age, then we will print age, and at the end we will use end line character so that the next value will be shown in the next line. We will print all the other values in the same way. So I will do it quickly without any explanation because you people can understood it clearly. So now let's print it directly. Score is done, distance, then this fourth one is percentage, then pi value, and then boolean value is login and pass, and then grade, and the last one is name. Now we will run our code. So by clicking the run button, you people can see its output and all the values are shown very accurately. The value of isLogin is shown as 0 because it is false, and the value of pass is shown as 1 because it is true. So in today's video we have learned about data types with examples. So I hope you people understood it clearly. If you have any question, then ask in the comment section. For more videos, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.